Yeah, the
We'll start with Abhay. What's the most exciting thing in life right now?
This interview.
What?
Do you want something else?
I thought you were lying.
No, I'm not. You're the most exciting thing right now.
Thank you for lying again.
She's getting you totally.
Okay. The thought of jumping out of that window.
Never mind. So, Jimmy.
Hard to please.
Jimmy, what are you completely bored of in your life right now?
हाँ, सिंस ये दोनों आपको ऑलरेडी ले गए हैं, उन्होंने भी कुछ कमाल का आपके बारे में बोला, ये भी बोल रहे हैं कि सब एक्साइटिंग है, तो हमारा तो नंबर ही नहीं लगेगा फिर से, और इससे पहले कि नंबर लगे आप भाग जाओगे। तो सबसे एक्साइटिंग चीज़ मैं आपको बताता हूँ, मेरे लिए इस टाइम पे 19 तारीख को हैप्पी भाग जाएगी आ रही है, और बग्गे का जो किरदार है कुछ कमाल का निकल के आया है, और आई एम मोस्ट एक्साइटेड अबाउट दिस राइट नाउ।
Okay. And what is something that recently moved you, Diana?
oh my God.
I moved, the other day.
No, not that way, emotionally.
Oh, okay.
The
Vanity Van.
The charity thing.
yeah so I don't know if I can say it, but we went to visit Navbharat Times, and they were telling us about an initiative that they had started with kids of slum kids who they work towards funding education and higher education, and so we heard I heard that and I was very oh sorry I forgot.
You guys, you both.
That's why I'm saying I'm like my Vanity Van. My God.
Okay, sorry.
We'll go faster.
Okay,
Yeah.
sorry
अभी तो बहुत
If
question.
you get to teach
I
one
forgot.
subject in school, what will it be?
Math.
Okay. Favorite beverage?
कॉफ़ी।
Coffee. Favorite food?
Chicken tikka masala.
Favorite country?
Norway.
What would you order in junk food?
McChicken with cheese, meal, large. McDonald's.
Okay. One thing you need to have in your fridge at any given point of time.
Cheese.
Even you can answer for the same.
वाटर।
You too. One. You are
नहीं
not
वो
saying.
बैंड है इसलिए मैं बोल नहीं पाया। Ice, chocolate, Nutella, one Nutella jar and vanilla ice cream.
That was mine.
Sorry,
होगा, YouTube पे होगा, so you can say the band thing.
क्या चीज़? Already बहुत।
Chocolate was my idea. He stole it.
Okay.
Chocolate.
Okay. So, favorite TV show of all time. Your favorite show.
Bunyad?
Okay. Okay. A TV show that is going on air, like still going on.
Tyrant, I think that's good.
Have you
Right
ever-
now I'm watching the Great Train Robbery.
Okay. Have you ever Googled yourself?
No.
No? Okay. Have you?
Of course. I'll Google right now after this interview. Huh.
What do you think, like, after, looking at all things that come up?
What do I think?
Yeah.
Is this rapid fire still?
Yeah.
Oh, what do you think? Yuck, not true, lies, I look hot.
Okay. आपने बोला आप गूगल नहीं करते, तभी मैंने पूछा।
गूगल मैं नहीं करता हूँ, मगर जहाँ पर भी कोई इंटरव्यू या कोई वो देखता हूँ, मैं हमेशा यही बोलता हूँ यार फोटो तो बदल दो यार।
So you're not happy with your photos, Ranveer?
पता नहीं कैसी कैसी लगाते हैं फोटो, यानी क्या 25 साल पुरानी कौन सी
But I saw
फोटो
one
क्या।
very cool one like this. I have to get it. Yeah, such a cool photo of you. It's because I Google him.
Was this like the one where you were running like that?
I think you should be happy. चलो लड़कियां भले जा रही है, लड़के आपको जरूर गूगल कर रहे हैं।
Bring him on, yeah.
Your favorite movie of all time?
मेरा नाम जोगर।
Okay. Movie that made you cry your eyes out?
Free Willy.
Okay. Again to you. Have you ever Googled yourself?
Yes.
And what did you think after that?
Not bad. ठीक है. You have to work harder.
Same to you. Have you ever Googled yourself?
Yeah.
And what have you What's your thought process after that?
Same. Lies. That's not true. How can they write such things? But then there's some things that are nice. So.
Okay. If you were not an actor, what would you be? And all of you have to.
उधर से पूछो ना, मैं तब तक मैं सोचने का।
Astronaut.
Astronaut.
My childhood dream.
Oh, pilot. I would be. Yeah, I actually trained.
Okay.
Architect.
Okay.
I wish I could be in the armed forces. Yeah.
Okay. So, something that you can't do.
Draw. I can't draw.
Come back to me now 1 second. It's coming to me.
Something that
You can do everything.
I avoid marketing.
Avoid marketing.
There are lots of things I can't do. Yeah.
अभी के लिए एक.
ऐसे दिमाग में नहीं आ रहे हैं। क्या ऐसा
Yeah.
एक चीज क्या बोलूं मैं?
कुछ भी बोल दो.
क्या बोलो ना?
Slice an apple while on a skyscraper on the edge while
He's
hanging off.
answered it for me.
I don't even make
I can't swim properly.
You can't.
Yeah, I just learned swimming 2 years back. I had a major phobia of water for the longest time. Yeah.
What's that one habit that you want to
I
get
know
rid
one.
of? Okay.
Lick my elbow.
You can.
Try it.
It's not possible.
And so one habit that you want to get rid of.
Oh, I thought I was still answering the earlier question.
Wanting to lick his elbow.
ये पहले question का answer दे रहा था मैं. For you. Lick.
There's
One thing you can't do.
There is one thing that 3 of us cannot do.
Sorry.
Is sing and dance like Ali.
No, you're not doing that.
We'll get to that. Come on, एक हो जाए.
क्या?
अभी इतना लोग बोल रहे हैं singing, dancing, तो एक public demand, co-actors demand, एक हो जाए.
अरे यार. तो फिर मैं से ना, my face has gotten खर्चोड on this.
नहीं.
What song? What's your favorite song? I'll sing your
I
favorite song.
liked इसका जो एक song था, I forgot, गबरू वाला. I forgot.
Okay. गबरू ready to mingle है ना 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 ना. Sorry, I can't. एक sentence ही है ना.
नहीं, it's okay, but ये अभी बीच में तो break लिया है.
हो गया. One sentence song. अभी one sentence पे stick कर. Rapid.
What was the next question?
Yeah. What's one habit that you want to get rid of?
I do this a lot. All the time I'm talking and I'm just and people think I'm a druggie. I'm not. I want to get rid of this. Yeah.
You?
Really?
I thought that can be Salman Khan's answer.
Really?
I don't know. Yeah. I think I snort or whatever. I swear.
No, I haven't seen you do this that much. What one habit that I want to get rid of? Being a hermit.
Sir,
Idle eating.
one habit जो आपको निकाल देनी है.
मैंने कोई हैबिट नहीं निकाल ली है. मुझे बहुत मजा आ रहा है अपनी हैबिट्स के साथ.
Okay. फिर, do you guys have any nicknames?
DP.
DP.
Mir.
Guy.
Yeah.
I have Dimpy.
I used to be called.
Did
I
you?
used to be called Mir and Chota Baba. Because I was this mad fan of Sanjay Dutt. So हाँ.
आपका कोई nickname?
नहीं, मैं रियल नेम बता देता हूँ. मेरा रियल नेम जसजीत शेरगिल है और जिमी मेरा निक नेम था. और इसके अलावा मैं अपने डायरेक्टर का भी, जो मुझे कल शाम को ही पता लगा है, हमारे डायरेक्टर का भी एक, जो हमारे डायरेक्टर हैं मुदस्सर, उनका भी एक निक नेम है.
क्या है?
आप लोग को नहीं पता है?
नहीं.
Models.
मुझे मॉडल.
हाँ.
क्या बात.
Favorite song of all time? You wanna say and sing? No.
Favorite song? किशोर कुमार का एक लड़की भीगी भागी सी.
हाँ. You can go, I guess we all can go.
या किशोर कुमार का कोई भी.
अरे तुम
ओके. नहीं वन मोर. प्यार मांगा है तुम्ही से प्यार करो.
Okay. Something you always wanted to do but you were too scared of doing it.
Bungee jumping.
Shit, actually same.
Whatever I'm bungee did.
Yeah, same. It freaks me out. I've done skydiving, but bungee I can't.
I'm not scared of doing anything. क्या करना है? सब कुछ करना है.
मैंने स्टेज पे गाना गाना है.
अभी गाना गा
दैट
सकते
इज
हैं।
वन थिंग मैं करना चाहता हूँ, और मैं इसीलिए करना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि मैं कर नहीं सकता हूँ।
अच्छा, ओके, लास्ट क्वेश्चन, एनी प्री शॉट रिचुअल्स की यू नो शॉट देने से पहले कुछ करते हैं या कुछ कोई आदत है?
मैं बताऊँ?
ये पुशअप्स करती है, आई एम टेलिंग यू।
Just before each shot. No, I don't do anything. No.
ऐसे मेंटल प्रिपरेशन?
Mental preparation. Yeah, go through the lines or something.
I go silent थोड़ा ऐसे अपने में. I don't know.
Like zone out.
Yeah, I do zone out.
I pinch the director.
Okay.
Good luck.
मैं अपने डायलॉग्स याद करता हूँ।
Okay. Thank you so much for talking to us.
So much for having us.
Thank you for tolerating us.
Watch on the 19th.
Thank you. With cameraman Faizan, this is Bhakti Sheth for Bollywood Now.